different kind of family is growing. Two robins, working quietly, bringing food, keeping watch, three tiny lives, learning the world one moment at a time. Here at Zoo & Co., our chinchillas have neighbors too, different species, same care, same instinct to protect and to nurture. We don't step in, we give them space, because the best way to care for wildlife is to respect it. From our chinchillas to our wild neighbors, every life matters. Zoo & Co. Chinchillas.